Hey, what's up guys? Today in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you new streaming application for your Amazon Fire Stick device. This application does not need any registration, it does not need a VPN, it does not need a mouse dangle. It has a fully working APG and also a great library of movies, TV shows, anime and documentaries. So if you stick with me for just a little bit longer, and I'm going to show you how you can get this amazing application on your own Amazon Fire Stick device step by step. Let's begin. So first of all, what you have to do, hover to search icon left side above the menu. Here slide down and type popconflix. When you type 2-3 word, suggestion list appear. So slide down and click on popconflix. Here click on popconflix icon. From the next screen, it's gonna give us ability to download this app on our Fire Stick. So just click on download button and popconflix start downloading automatically. Just wait for a while until this is downloaded and it will be installed automatically. And guys, here you can see popconflix has been installed. Now you open this app from here and also from home. So after installing, go back home screen by pressing remote home button. And here hold remote home button for few seconds. Click on apps. And here you will find all application that is installed in your Amazon Fire Stick device. So slide down and hover to popconflix icon. Once you highlight popconflix icon, press remote option button. Right side menu appear on your screen, so slide down and click on move to front. And guys, here you can see popconflix is front of your all Amazon applications. Now press remote select button to launch. So guys, this is the home screen of popconflix. Here you can watch your favorite movies, TV shows, and also in this app you will find movies and TV shows category. Like here you can watch your action and adventure movies, female lead, new arrivals, sports corner, and much more. So guys, you can use this method to watch your favorite movies and TV shows on your Amazon Fire Stick device. And I hope this video is really helpful for you. And please don't forget to click on like button, share button and subscribe button. And if you have any questions or question, then comments on below. I will see you guys next video. Take care.